Hello, my name is Losert, and today I am here with a quick walkthrough of my new product called Cards 2.0. Cards 2.0 are symbols-based framework or UI kit for quick designs or wireframes of your next landing page project. Cards 2.0 comes with 50 new cards as Webflow symbols in two versions, dark and light, which means you will be getting 100 symbols. You can get easy access to all these symbols through the plus icon, which I'm showing you, and its symbols panel. You can also nicely search through all of the symbols and search for any sections you would like to use. All symbols comes with two versions, dark and light, and you can easily drag and drop them into your canvas at any point. Let me show you how by creating a header of a conceptual landing page. I'll switch to the sample page 1 and let me start with a menu. Then we can create a header section. Let's add some content block. And for now, we will end with a My Works grid. Cool. Within a few seconds, we were able to create a basic structure of a simple portfolio for a designer. But let's get back to the walkthrough. All symbols are divided into 10 categories, such as hero sections, content blocks, or call to actions widgets. You can easily access them through the Pages panel or via the top bar menu. Easy. To even more illustrate how these widgets can work together, I've created 3 sample landing pages: agency website, which works again with different symbols which are visible through the navigator. Then mobile app landing page. And as we've seen before, a designer's portfolio. All of this comes with a color alternative, which you can again easily find as a landing page and alternative. And it will follow the other color layout. For designer, it will have a white header. I've also prepared a easy overview of all elements and building classes as a style guide, which you can again find through the top bar or as a separate page in the Webflow project. It gives you a nice overview of all of the texts used in the project, tags, headline blocks, and then the structure. So with all this, let's dig a little bit deeper and look at how each symbol is built to slightly explain a little bit about the logic behind. Each symbol starts with a section block with a class called section or section dark if it's in a dark version, which we will see in a bit. And then we have a wrap, which is used to give a content paddings of 50, 80 for transfer sections or 20 for call to actions or footers. Transfer sections for me is a block of white that's right after a dark block to give the design nice breathing space. You can change the weight to the class V80 to V50 at any point, or use any of the predefined alignments of Flexbox. And then we have the columns All sections comes based on the 940 pixels Webflow grid. So if you want to split the sections in the middle or in the thirds, as we will see in this example, I'll use a for call class. And since the last column is the last one, I'm going to add a combo class called for call last to remove the padding of the previous section. Thanks to that, all of this is automatically responsive for all of the Webflow predefined breakpoints. And I mentioned the class section dark, which is used to create the dark cards. And most of the elements are created with only predefined sizes and don't hold a color. So by switching the section dark class, all content is now a dark version. We can see it here easily. So by just removing the section dark, we went back to the white section, to the white content, and then by adding the dark version again, we went back to the dark content. And that's it. To get the whole package, you can easily switch to the preview and then click on the get cards, or via the home section and pressing the big button here, clone project. Which will take you to a showcase page of this project, and you can then just easily clone it from the top bar. Since I'm the owner, I don't have the button. To get most of this package, I've also created a sketch file to give you access to all of the assets and layouts in a pixel form. You can find this file via home again, and then at the bottom in the extra sections, get the sketch file, which will take you to Gumroad, where you just enter $0 as a price and you'll get this file. All sections are again recreated in Sketch and are following the same logics of a typography. So you can easily play here with your layouts before coding them in Webflow, if that's your way, if that's the way you prefer. And just to make sure, this file is set and created for you to export assets, and it's not ready to be responsive or be prepared for all the designs. Every section is also accessible through a symbols panel, and it's again following the same name logic which is done in the Webflow symbols panel. So if you create here a 3x3 My Works grid, it will create again the widget which we created for the designer's portfolio. And that's it. And I hope you enjoy Cars 2.0 as well as you guys did with the first package. My name is Jan Losert, and you can easily find me as @Jan Losert on Twitter or Dribble or anywhere else if you have any questions.